Okay, so anseo tá na focal leis an litir a. So an litir a. So tá a I gach focal agus in Gaeilge. So in Irish it makes the sound a. Okay, so a. So there's the a sound. Same in English. Okay, so asal. Okay, asal. So call they asal? Asal. So what is an asal? Asal shin donkey. Okay, so donkey shin asal. Okay, call they shin. So tashi anseo kawil she. So tosin she le h. Agus ta ga l is seach sa focal. So call they shin. So h agus ga l. Firfa hala. Okay, so hala. So cuirmid an a is seach hala. Okay, hala. Okay, agus anrod seo crown. So a one crown. Agus an seo mata. Okay, so seo a mata. Mata. Okay, so we're all going to say these words together first time. Okay, so gacht in a lecéile. So osard out loud. So an cé focal asal. Okay, hain do trí asal. Hain do trí asal. Okay, next word. So hala. Okay, hala. Hain do trí hala. Okay, agus next one. Crown. Okay, so almost like a crown you put in your head. Crown. Okay, hain do trí crown. Okay, hain do trí crown. Okay, and rod there not last thing. Mata. Okay, mata. Okay, hain do trí mata. Okay, or one of that. Hain do trí mata. Okay, so we're going to go through all these again very quickly. Okay, hain do trí asal. Okay, hain do trí hala. Okay, hain do trí crown. Hain do trí mata. Okay, so what's this one then? Dr. Can we see it up there? Dr. Well, there we go. Madra. Okay, so madra. Okay, firfa. So we have a madra. Okay, madra. And then anseo marla. So call it marla. So marla shin a marla. So igusoi pleido marla. Okay, so we might be running out of these. So marla. Okay, just make sure we have a few more. Okay, marla. Agus anseo. So chocolate, chocolate. But what is it? It's something of chocolate. It's a something of chocolate. It's a bar of chocolate. So bara. Okay? So bara chocolate. So bara. So bara. Bara. Okay? So bara chocolate. Bar or a bar of gold. Okay? Banana. Okay, so it's the exact same in Irish as it is in English. So that should be very handy for us. Banana. Okay. So we're going to go through these again. So madra. Okay, so madra. Hain do trí madra. Okay, gacht in a lecéile. Hain do trí madra. Okay. Next one. So we played out. So hain do trí marla. Okay, hain do trí marla. Okay, this is a bar of chocolate, so it's bara. So hain, do, tree, bara. Okay, so it's just bar. So bara chocolate is bar of chocolate. This is a bar, so it's bara. Okay? And then the last one, banana. Okay, we should get that. Banana. Okay, so the last line then. So Sinead, you on that one? Bosca. Okay, bosca. Perfect. So you've got a bosca. Okay, so and then here we have gata. Okay, so gata. So we bring our A down, makes it gata. So that's a gate. Here we have it, turn up. Okay, so it's turn up back. Gaeilge. Okay, so we get our A, we put it down there. We've another A here. Oh, we're almost running out of A's. So turn up back. Okay, so turn up as a turnip. And then the last one is a naproon. Okay, so a naproon. Okay, so we have turnip out as a turnip. And we have naproon, which is an apron. Okay, so an apron you wear when you're cooking or whatever you're doing. Okay, so we'll go through this line again. So bosca, so hain, do, tree, bosca. Okay, hain, do, tree, bosca. Okay, now we're going to say gata. Okay, so hain, do, tree, gata. So a gate, gata. And then the next one, turnipa. Okay, hain, do, tree, turnipa. Okay, and the last one then is naproon. Okay, so that's an apron. So hain, do, tree, naproon. Okay, so there are all our words. I want you to fill in those. So fill in na A, so gach A tá anseo, fill it in. And then for our next activity, what you have to do is líon isteach na bearnaí. So there is an empty space in the sentence. And what's this again? So it begins with our special letter, a. So this is an asl. Okay, so asl. So it's anseo. Agus queer litter awan I gach's boys. Okay, so litter awan. So try and make sure that they all fit into each one individually. Okay, I want you to do all of these and then I want you to say the sentence as best as possible. Okay, so I want you to say the sentence out loud once you have finished it. Okay, okay, perfect.